Hello everyone. Today we will see how to measure a distance using ultrasonic distance measuring sensor. So as we already know, ultrasonic distance measuring sensor have 4 pins. Number 1 is VCC, second one is trigger, third one is echo, fourth one is ground. So let's do the connections. So I put ultrasonic distance measuring sensor at the end of my breadboard like this. Let's put it like this so that you can also see that. Once done, so now I need to connect VCC to 5 volt. Second one is echo, so I am connecting echo to D2. Third one is trigger, I am connecting trigger to D3. And fourth one is ground, I am connecting ground to the ground. Let's start the connections. So first one was VCC, so I am connecting VCC to 5 volts. The second one was trigger, so I am connecting trigger to, sorry, second one was echo, so I am connecting echo to D2. Here is a D0, after that D1, after that D2. The third one was trigger, so I'll be connecting trigger to D3. So let's connect trigger to D3. Fourth one was ground, so I will connect ground to the ground. So my connections are done. Let's see how to program it on system. Get the code, you can directly go to the skill menu in website. There in day 6 you will get this, that is IoT for juniors day 6. Under the topic ultrasonic distance measuring sensor, from here you can just click on this link and you will get the option to download. So I already downloaded this code here. So let's see. So first of all, I am defining the echo and trigger pin. So once I define these pins, I make trigger pin as an output. As I explained in previous videos, the working of ultrasonic distance measuring sensor, how it sends the sound wave from one of its terminal and catches the echo of that sound wave using the other terminal. So for sending that sound wave, we need to make trigger pin output, and we are detecting that bounce back wave. Therefore, we need to make other pin as an input. So I am here beginning the serial monitor at the baud rate of 9600. So now let's see. Here I make digital write. Here I am making trigger pin high. Then I am giving the 10 microseconds of delay. Then I am making the trigger pin low. So meanwhile, it would have catch the bounce back wave. So using this formula, I am calculating the distance. Once distance calculation is done, I am displaying it on serial monitor. So let's compile this code and upload it to Arduino Uno. So compilation is done. Let's upload it. Okay, uploadation is also done. So let's see the output in serial monitor. So as you can see now it is showing 50 to 51 centimeter because I am that much away. So if I put my hand near to it, it is showing me 7 centimeter. More near 6.5 centimeter. If I keep my hand away like this, it is showing me 25, 26 centimeter. So like this, it is measuring the distance of an object from itself. I hope you understood what is ultrasonic distance measuring sensor and how to detect the distance using ultrasonic distance measuring sensor. So that's it for today's video. Hope I will see you in next video. Till then, bye.